Very powerful spoken words. Now, the Nubian University Students' Organization, together with the Kibra Ramadhan initiative, held a transformative 5-day youth camp at the ROWALAN Scout Camp in Nairobi. The camp brought together young minds from diverse backgrounds for skills development and community engagement. For the first 5 days, participants engaged in a series of workshops, team-building activities and interactive sessions designed to enhance their leadership skills, cultural awareness and social responsibility.
We're here because we made a commitment to what we feel is one of the most significant, if not the most significant initiatives that we are accountable to, and that is our religion. You know, over the past few years, there's been a very huge shift in terms of what our deen looks like and what young people especially are exposed to as far as what the world is today. And so if you take a back seat, you'll understand that this is something that's very deliberate, that there's a very big campaign to transform young people and pull them away from the deen.
Our main goal was to inspire our kids, our youth, to love our deen even better, because we understand that in our communities, yes, our kids are being brought up in Muslim families, but our question was, do they really know why they are Muslims? Yeah, so we wanted to create an environment whereby our kids can fully understand why they are Muslims and why they should practice our faith in an even greater capacity.
Us being here today is because we have encountered challenges within our community pertaining to young people that could not be solved by any other way except that we bring ourselves back to our own identity, which is we as Muslims.
From what we can gauge from our program, the kids have been impacted in the best way possible. We want to bring parents even closer to these programs, because we understand that you can impact a child, but the child needs to go back to a home that is also impacted.
This fitna that we're talking about, including drugs and substance abuse, including crime, including this very big gender conversation where we have the rainbow nation trying very hard to make themselves relevant in the world, as well as, you know, simple things like music and entertainment.